Fabrício, you are finally the undisputed UFC heavyweight champion. Can you put into words what this moment means to you?
I believe myself. I'm training a lot for this moment. I'm staying just in Mexico City 35 days. I know he go like a double leg or single leg. I'm waiting. I have my strategy. I just had my strategy 100%.
How did you rebound after the first round? It looked like he hurt you a couple times.
Yes, I saw when he like very tired because he just come to Mexico 2 weeks before. I listened when he like breathe, and I saw he very tired. I say, this is my moment.
Were you waiting for the takedown to catch him in the guillotine?
I got it. I tried one time. He got escaped, but the second time I have it in my mind. This strategy. I just waiting for to finish the fight.
When you slapped it on, did you know it was over?
Yes. I saw when I read the breathe. He don't breathe. I saw that.
Are you the greatest heavyweight of all time now?
Yes, I have it here. I have 2 belts. I have one in my home, and I have other one here.
Unbelievable. Now who is next for you? I know you just won.
I think the rematch in Las Vegas is a good deal.
You want to give him a rematch?
Yes, for sure. No problem.
Congratulations. Enjoy the victory. Unbelievable.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
There he is, guys. The brand new UFC heavyweight champion. His name, Fabrício Werdum.